Okay, so where we are here is this engine is had the green wiener. She's just not gonna do it, so we just gotta take it out. We're gonna pull this engine. We're gonna put something that'll bark to life in there that'll make those wheels friggin' turn. We want to do burnouts with this so that the old guy that owns it can do one last fucking burnout before he goes in this car. And we're gonna make it happen. Okay, we're back. So we got the front clip off. We got the engine out. Most of the steering is out of the way now. And we got the engine hoist that we're gonna strap into the back of my little truck and try and get the motor out. It's winter here, so it's probably gonna suck.
Oh, 100%.
But we'll get it.
Oh yeah, this isn't sketchy as fuck.
Here's what we got going on, folks. The chain is holding the arm, which is holding the engine hoist in the back of the truck. Huh? This is what you do, and you just got to make stuff happen. And we're gonna win. That motor is gonna end up going in that old car, come hell or high water. Oh, we got our motor on. She's out and ready to go over to its new home. Okay, next move. We got that off the truck. Now we're going to leave with just a little bit of weight on this so they can swing. And we're going to run a line off that come along to that post right there. And he's going to pull as I let off, and we're going to just Tarzan swing the engine right inside. And it'll be super easy. That's our next step. See you later. I'm gonna take it right past the door here. You off now?
Yeah, the hoist is doing weird noises. There's a lot of pinging happening out here.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Well, I guess get it off.
Yeah, put it down. Oh, stop pulling.
Yeah, buddy!
That was under some serious load.
Yeah, it was. That was awesome, though. We got it.
Your truck's just lifted like 6.5 inches.
Yeah, whatever.
See that shit?
That truck is super tough. After you get in there, you find out it's the wrong damn wrench every time.
Hey, we'll be back for part 2 in another day or so. Thanks for watching.